Ever wondered what it takes to bring a fish from the shimmering rivers of Vietnam to your dinner plate in America?
Meet the Pangasius, Vietnam's freshwater champion, loved worldwide for its mild flavor and flaky texture.
Curious how this fish goes from a Mekong Delta farm to your favorite fish tacos?
Join us for a vibrant journey through Vietnam's rivers, farms, and factories to uncover the craft behind the world's top Pangasius producer. In the heart of Vietnam's Mekong Delta, where rivers pulse like the veins of the earth, a fish is making waves around the world. The Pangasius, known in the US as basa or sway, is Vietnam's pride, powering the country to the top spot as the global leader in Pangasius production and export. With over 1 million tons shipped each year to markets like America, this freshwater fish stars in everything from crispy fried fillets to zesty ceviche.
But what's the story behind this fish? How does it go from a tropical river to your plate? This is a tale of tradition, innovation, and a nation's passion for delivering clean, delicious fish to the world. Whether you're a home cook in Dallas, a chef in Seattle, or just curious about your food's journey, this story will pull you into Vietnam's Pangasius revolution. Let's follow the river and see where it leads. Our journey starts in the Mekong Delta, a lush, water-soaked region where the Pangasius thrives. Often called Vietnam's rice bowl, this area is also the birthplace of Pangasius farming, a craft perfected over decades.
Here, in the warm, nutrient-rich waters of the Mekong, farmers raise Pangasius with a blend of local wisdom and meticulous care, creating a fish that's as clean as it is tasty. It all begins with the fingerlings, tiny fish, barely the size of a matchstick. These are sourced from specialized hatcheries, where breeders pick the strongest, healthiest stock to ensure resilient fish. The fingerlings are raised in floating cages or earthen ponds, designed to harness the Mekong's natural flow. The river's currents keep the water fresh, brimming with oxygen and nutrients that help the fish grow strong. Farmers are like water detectives, constantly monitoring pH, temperature, and oxygen levels to ensure their fish are thriving in a perfect environment.
Feeding is where the artistry shines. Forget synthetic feeds or questionable additives. Vietnamese farmers craft a diet of locally sourced ingredients, think rice bran, fish meal, and plant-based goodness like cassava or soybeans. Some even mix in natural boosters like turmeric or herbs, which enhance the fish's health and add a subtle depth to its flavor. No harmful chemicals or growth enhancers here, just a wholesome menu that produces a fish with a clean, mild taste that's perfect for any dish. For American consumers who love a versatile, healthy protein, Pangasius is a dream come true. Sustainability is woven into the process. The Mekong is a lifeline, and farmers protect it fiercely. Many use eco-friendly methods, like managing water waste to keep the river clean or rotating ponds to avoid overstocking. This commitment to the environment ensures Pangasius farming doesn't just feed people today, it preserves the delta for tomorrow. For US buyers who prioritize sustainable food, Vietnam's Pangasius is a fish you can savor with pride. Raising Pangasius is like tending a garden, it takes skill, patience, and a deep connection to the land and water. In the Mekong Delta, farmers are hands-on, visiting their ponds or cages daily to check on their fish. They're not just farmers, they're stewards, ensuring every Pangasius grows healthy and strong. This care starts with those tiny fingerlings, nurtured in safe environments to protect them from disease and predators. As the fish grow, farmers fine-tune their approach like chefs perfecting a sauce. They adjust water flow to keep it fresh, use aeration systems to pump in oxygen, and tailor feeding schedules to match the fish's growth stage. It's a delicate balance, too much feed can harm the water, too little can slow growth. Seasoned farmers know the sweet spot, helping Pangasius reach market size, about 2 to 3 pounds, in just 6 to 8 months, making it a smart choice for feeding the world. Health is non-negotiable. Vietnam's Pangasius farms follow strict biosecurity measures, using natural probiotics and regular water testing to keep diseases at bay. Many farms earn certifications like ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council, a gold standard for American importers who value ethical, sustainable practices. These certifications mean every fillet is free from contaminants, safe for your family, and produced with care for the environment. The farmers are the soul of this story. Many are small-scale operators, families who've worked the Delta's waters for generations, passing down knowledge like a treasured recipe. Larger farms bring scale and technology, using data to optimize growth and minimize waste. Whether it's a family tending a single pond or a cooperative managing thousands of fish, the mission is clear: deliver a fish that's clean, delicious, and ready for the world. For American consumers, this means Pangasius you can grill, bake, or fry with confidence, knowing it came from a place of dedication. The journey from the Mekong to your table is a masterclass in precision. Harvesting Pangasius is timed to perfection. Fish are netted gently at their peak to ensure tender, flavorful meat. Speed is critical. Within hours, the fish are whisked to processing plants to lock in freshness. This quick turnaround is why Pangasius tastes like it just leapt from the river. In the processing plants, it's a blend of skill and technology. Workers clean, fillet, and trim the fish with precision, turning whole fish into perfect portions. Automated machines ensure uniformity, removing every bone for a hassle-free meal. The fillets are then flash frozen or vacuum-packed, preserving the just-caught flavor for the journey across the globe. Every step is designed to meet strict standards like those of the US FDA, ensuring safety and quality for American markets. Quality control is relentless. Each batch is tested for texture, freshness, and safety, meeting certifications like BAP, Best Aquaculture Practices, that US importers trust. Some plants even add QR codes, letting you trace your fillet back to its farm in the Mekong. For American shoppers who love knowing their food story, this transparency is a game changer. Vietnam's logistics are a powerhouse. From processing plants, the fish are loaded into refrigerated trucks and sped to ports like Ho Chi Minh City or Cam Lo. There, they're packed into containers and shipped across the Pacific to US supermarkets, restaurants, and homes. Vietnam's strategic location and streamlined supply chain mean Pangasius arrives fresh and fast, ready to star in your next meal, whether it's a fish fry in Georgia or a taco night in California. Why is Vietnam's Pangasius a hit in the US? Let's dive into the reasons, starting with its stellar nutritional profile. Pangasius is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein, about 15 grams per 100 gram serving, essential for muscle growth and repair. But what sets it apart is its fat content. While Pangasius is considered a fatty fish, it's loaded with healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids like DHA and EPA. These fats are heart health superheroes, linked to lower risks of cardiovascular disease, improved cholesterol levels, and better brain function, according to studies from the American Heart Association. Unlike some fatty fish, Pangasius has a balanced fat profile, with moderate levels that make it a leaner choice than salmon but still rich in those good-for-you lipids. It's also low in saturated fats, making it ideal for heart-conscious Americans. Plus, it's low in mercury, a critical factor for families, pregnant women, and kids, ensuring safe consumption without the health risks associated with some other fish. Beyond nutrition, the flavor is a winner. Pangasius boasts a mild, slightly sweet taste and a flaky, tender texture that's a kitchen chameleon. Whether you're grilling it with Cajun spices, baking it with lemon and herbs, or frying it for a Southern-style fish fry, it adapts to any recipe. American cooks love its versatility. It's perfect for everything from quick weeknight dinners to upscale restaurant dishes. Value is another big draw. Pangasius delivers premium quality at a budget-friendly price. Compared to pricier options like cod or tilapia, it offers gourmet flavor without the hefty cost, making it a go-to for US families, restaurants, and food chains looking to stretch their dollar without sacrificing taste. Sustainability is a major selling point. Vietnam's Pangasius farms prioritize eco-friendly practices, from clean water management to low-impact feeds. Certifications like ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ensure the fish is raised responsibly, protecting the Mekong's ecosystem for future generations. For environmentally conscious Americans, Pangasius is a choice that tastes good and feels good. Safety seals the deal. Vietnam's industry adheres to strict standards, with regular testing for contaminants like antibiotics or heavy metals, meeting U.S. import regulations. Every fillet is clean, safe, and traceable, giving consumers peace of mind. For American shoppers, Pangasius is a healthy, reliable protein they can trust. That's the vibrant story of Vietnam's Pangasius, a fish born in the Mekong's flow, raised with care, and loved on tables across America. It's more than a meal, it's Vietnam's promise of quality, sustainability, and flavor. Want to explore more of Vietnam's food treasures? Hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay hooked. Share your favorite Pangasius dish in the comments or tell us what Vietnamese food story you're craving next. Pass this video to your food-loving friends, and let's get the world buzzing about Vietnam's freshwater gem. Thanks for joining us, see you in the next tasty tale.